What's up, my dogs? I hope you guys are doing good. Ujam just released the newest version of Beatmaker. It's called Beatmaker 3. It's a pretty nice plugin. It's like, if you want to think about it, you can think about it as like a drum focused plugin for multiple genre, and you also have like some loop already built in, kind of. I'm just gonna show you how it works. Let's go. So when you open Beatmaker 3, this is how it looks like. So it is like the interface is pretty nice, and here you have like individual sample, okay, and then here you have like the loops I was talking about earlier. So right now I'm just clicking, right? But you can also use your MIDI keyboard and hit on the button, hit on the keys so that you get triggers. So my goal is to show you a little bit. So the thing is, it has like so many styles or genre, I should say. When you open here, you have all the genres. All the styles mixed with the genre. Because here, for instance, here it says it's a drum for dance and EDM track. So let's say I'm loading that one. Okay, keep in mind, it's still in beta version. I guess I just had a crash. I'm just gonna click on recover and see if it can come back. Okay, I'm just gonna go on a random one just to see. Let's go with maybe this analog drums. So that's loaded. Once I click, the sound changes, and this is a loop, for instance. Okay, so you kind of have an idea of what it is. It's like literally a drum related plugin. So you'll be like, I used it in the past on Reason back in the days. Not that Reason doesn't have good sample. Reason do have a lot of samples and a lot of tone and sound and all those stuff. But sometimes you just want a specific one already preloaded for you. That's why I bought it at the time, and I was using it. I use it with few good beats. Anyway, so I'm gonna try to make a quick beat, like just so you guys can see like a use case scenario. I wanna go with an Afrobeat. I should probably go with a trap because trap is quicker to make, but I'm just gonna go with Afrobeat. They don't really have anything Afrobeat here, but something close to that would be like reggaeton rhythms. So I'm just gonna load that and see. Okay, so I'm just gonna see if there's like a good kit I could use. Let me try this and see. It's not bad. Yeah, not bad. Okay, this one is close to Afrobeat. They are all reggaeton stuff, but I feel like I can do a mixed genre with that. Okay, so I have like that loaded. What I'm gonna do now is like find an instrument I could like just to have some sound. I'm gonna use Contact actually. Okay, so I have a nice card. Let me put Beatmaker 3 and try to find a good loop. Actually, so I think instead of doing that, I'm just gonna play individual keys. Okay, I'm gonna change the chord. Okay, I think I like this, so let me play this. Okay, perfect. I like that easy melody, same instrument, sounds like a flute. I'm just gonna put it together and then let's see if I quantize. Okay, I have to delete this. Okay, so now I'm gonna add more element, like coming from the drum side. Only 3, I'm literally only using 3 notes that triggers one sound. I mean each one sound, so literally 3 sounds for the drum. So now that's it. So now I'm gonna see if I can like add more stuff, because there's so many stuff. I like it. So let me see if I can add some hi-hat. Just that I found this hi-hat. I found the hi-hat too strong. I want to see if I can like drop the level, because it has a mixer, right? So this is the mixer. I can just drop the level here maybe. Only thing is that mixer has a saturator, a filter, and ambient, so you can actually tweak it the way you want. The only stuff is I don't know if you would be able to tweak let me see actually. Yes, so I was gonna say if you will be able to tweak the dynamic of the song, but apparently you can, and you can also pitch it, which is not bad. Okay, so let's see. Okay, let me record. Okay, not bad, not bad, not bad. Let me just see. Okay, so I was going to drag the level a little bit down, a little bit more down. So going back to the mixer, level of the hi-hat actually. And yeah, like the beat is pretty much done. I don't have much to do. I just have to add the bass and just keep on adding melodies and then do the arrangement. So literally, like you've seen Beatmaker 3 in action, and that's just me trying to go with one genre specifically, and you could literally go with a lot of genres. So look at it as like a tool that gets you closer to where you're going to, without you necessarily have to go through a lot of your sample. And I didn't even use the loop built in, because I could have used the loop built in order to get like a quicker result and just focus on the melodies. Because when you think about it properly, the drums and the rhythm and all those stuff, they never really change. Even the melody never really changed. But like it's just like the mixture of all of those that helps you get like a banger. And knowing what you like the most, like in my use case, for instance, I know I like to spend more time on my melodies, because I feel like that resonates more with me and more with my audience, I would say. So I rather spend more time making melodies than spend more time trying to find a sample, or spend more time trying to come up with a rhythm, you know what I mean? But yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, check Beatmaker 3 out from Ujam. Like, share, subscribe, leave some comment, and yeah, see you on the next video, guys. Peace out.